We're gonna start up another brew kit. Take out this bag, which is gonna have your white pack. The white pack you're gonna put to the side and save to the end. We're gonna go ahead and take the brown pack out. That's gonna go inside of our brew bag. We take our brew kit and pour the loose contents ingredients inside. You want to pull the string and make sure you attach it. And give her a nice shake. You can use it at any temperature, but hot temperatures it tends to activate faster and finish faster. Then we go ahead and slap our lid on. A little bit of airflow still. You don't want to close it all the way. Once you got your brew kit finished, depending on how many days you want it to go, and you want to scrape the sides off, you want to get all that good stuff into the water, you want to take your bag out, and you want to add the white pack. 15 minutes or less before you feed. Make sure it all gets in there. Give it a little mix. Let it sit for a quick minute. Right after you've let the white pack mix up, then you want to take a generous dose to your plant. You want to feed extra if it's your first time using the brew kit, get the soil activated. You can dilute the brew down to over 50 gallons if you need to. Spray it on the farm. You can use it full strength on the garden. Pretty much whatever you need.